Hi guys, welcome to Wikividya. I'm Tanya and today I'll be covering the third poem from the Flamingo book, Keeping Quiet. I'll also be discussing the previous year questions asked from this chapter later in the video, so make sure to watch till the end. Also, if you are new to my channel and have missed out the other chapters from the book, I have an entire playlist created on my channel which includes all those videos. I'll link it in the description box. The poet is Pablo Neruda, and through this poem, he tries to highlight the necessity of staying quiet and understanding the other human beings. The poet wants us to keep still till he counts till 12. पोएट कहता है कि बस एक बार हम किसी लैंग्वेज में बात ना करें because languages divide people. Let us stop for some time and be still and not move so much. ऐसा करने से हम कितना वंडरफुल मोमेंट एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे. There would be no pressure on anyone's mind. There would be so much peace. There would be no engines running और हम सब इसमें एक साथ होंगे without any differences. If we all stop for some time, animals पर होने वाली cruelty भी रुकेगी. The poor people who work for others and are exploited will have time to be concerned about themselves too. जो लोग वॉर्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं बायोलॉजिकल वॉर्स और वॉर्स दैट हार्म द एनवायरनमेंट और वॉर्स विद पॉइजनस गैसेस ऐसी वॉर्स में जीतने का क्या फ़ायदा जब कोई सर्वाइवर्स ही नहीं रहेंगे. These people should clean their hearts and consider their enemies as their brothers and give up the intention of doing wrong to people. The poet says that we should not confuse being still with total inactivity or death because life still goes on. He wants nothing to do with death. पोएट कहता है कि अगर हम इतने एम्बिशियस नहीं होते टू ऑलवेज कीप आवर लाइफ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड तो हमारे अंदर जो सैडनेस है ऑफ नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग आवरसेल्व्स और फॉर बीइंग थ्रेटेंड ऑफ डेथ ये शायद खत्म हो जाती. The poet gives us a very beautiful example of the earth. When there are wars and destructions and natural calamities, हमें लगता है कि सब खत्म हो गया है, but the earth is still alive. The poet asks us to keep quiet till he counts up to 12 and then he will go. So that was the summary of this beautiful poem. Let us now move on to the previous year question papers. The question asked in the year 2020 was, read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. The first question was, name the poem and the poet. The answer would be, the poem is Keeping Quiet and is written by Pablo Neruda. The second question was, what does the poet hope to achieve by keeping still? The answer would be, too much activity and rush has only brought misfortunes to mankind. The poet hopes to achieve peace by keeping still. The third question was, what does he want us to do for 1 second? The answer would be, for 1 second, the poet wants us to stop all activities and be still. The fourth question was, describe the pun on the word arms. Now, pun means a word that can have different meanings. The answer would be, man has used his arms only to kill and destroy others. Therefore, the poet wants us to not move our arms so much as to hurt others. No question from this chapter was asked in the year 2019. The question asked in the year 2018 was, read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. This is the same extract that was asked in the year 2020, only the questions are slightly different. The first question was, what is the significance of the number 12? The answer would be, there are only 12 signs on the clock to measure hours. Therefore, the poet wants us to count till the clock measures these hours. The second question was, which two activities does the poet want us to stop? The answer would be, the poet wants us to not speak in any language and not move our arms so much. The third question was, what does the poet mean by let's not speak in any language? The answer would be, The poet asks us to not speak in any language because languages divide people. They fight over petty issues and keeping quiet would ensure peace. And the last question was, describe the pun on the word arms. The answer would be, man has used his arms only to kill and destroy others. Therefore, the poet wants us to not move our arms so much as to hurt others. The question asked in the year 2017 was, how would keeping quiet affect life in and around the sea? The answer would be, Pablo Neruda is against any kind of violence. If we stay still for a moment, the cruelty inflicted upon the sea animals would come to a stop. Again, no question was asked from this poem in the year 2016. And that is all for this lesson, guys. Stay tuned for the next lesson. I have also provided the entire question paper for the last 5 years in the description box below. You can check that out. You can also connect with me through email or through Facebook or Instagram. I'll mention everything in the description box. For any queries or feedback, do leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe and share it, and also hit that bell button so you are notified every time I post a new video. Bye.